Hey, today we're leasing a property here in Stonehaven, a beautiful 3-bedroom, 2-bath townhome. It's going to be leased for $4,200 a month. But I've got a little challenge here. So let's go in and check it out before I show you the home. So as I was opening up the home today, what I found is a bird in here. This is a first for me in real estate, so I'm going to have to figure out how to capture this bird in here. I have no idea how he got in here, but we're going to check it out. There's always something in real estate. This is a new one. Let's see what happens. I think if there he goes. Eric, my photographer, to the rescue.